Welcome to the Midwest Manufacturing Post-Frame Steel Trim and Accessories informational video. Constructing a post-frame building is a great way to increase your storage space or operate a business from. They are versatile in serving many different purposes as well as looking great. But to make your post-frame building unique, there are many different types of trim and accessories that are available. Let's start out with some of the basic trims and accessories that are used in post-frame construction. Bottom trim is installed on the grade board and is more of a finish trim that seals the bottom edge of the sidewall steel. This trim also helps keep the bottom of the steel panels even along the length of the building, making the overall appearance more appealing. Corner and gable trim can serve a dual purpose. It acts as a cover on the outside corners of the sidewalls and also covers over the gable end of the building. J-trim is used as a closure and trim piece. Hem trim is used to cover the cut edge of the steel around the opening for doors and windows. When using an additional color of steel to make a wainscot, the D2 trim is used as a break. There are two different types of skylights. The first type is the white fiberglass. This skylight is translucent and has the same rib pattern as the ProRib steel panels. The skylight can transmit about 60% of the light. The other type of skylight is the Premium Pro Sky. It is a clear polycarbonate panel and is 20 times stronger than the standard fiberglass panel. Both of these panels can be used either on the sidewalls or on the roof of the building. The universal ridge cap is a steel piece of flashing for the top edge of the roof steel. To allow for additional venting, ridge vents are available. Ridge vents can circulate up to 500 CFM of air when an equal amount of air is provided. Cupolas offer a great way to allow more venting for your building as well as giving it a more appealing look. Cupolas can be finished off with an assortment of weather vanes. To cover any exposed posts that are used to create larger overhangs or that are used for support on the interior, post covers can be installed. For a cleaner look, interior liner panels can be installed. If sound deadening is important, Midwest Manufacturing offers acoustical liner panels. Now let's take a look at different trim pieces and accessories for sliding and overhead doors. One of the first pieces to install for a sliding door is the door track. The door track is nailed to the top of the track board. To frame out your sliding door, there are two different methods that can be used: a quick frame and tab lock. Quick frames are constructed of aluminum verticals in conjunction with 2x materials to frame out the door. Tab lock doors use steel vertical and horizontal members to frame out the door with interlocking tabs. Additional accessories for sliding doors are trolley hangers. With two different hangers available, let's start with the steel bearing hanger. The steel bearing trolley hanger has a long threaded rod. The strap trolley hanger is designed to fasten horizontally to the top lateral of the door. A sliding door latch is a cam action latch that holds the door firmly against the jamb. For sliding split doors, a center latch is used to secure them together. Also, don't forget to install a heavy-duty door handle to make opening your sliding doors easier. To prevent the door from sliding too far in the opening, an adjustable door stop can be installed. Additional items such as stay rollers that help prevent the door from swaying, and also center guides are great ways to keep your door in place. Installation of the guide rail and brackets help keep the tab lock door on track while opening and closing the door. Once the door has been assembled, there are additional trims that can be applied to the rough openings. Depending on the depth of the opening, the L series of fascia can be used as a jamb liner. Door jamb trim is then installed over the exposed end. Vertical door trim covers the edge of the door and is used with all steel frame sliding doors. Astragal trim is used to cover where two sliding doors meet in the closed position. Some optional sliding door trim to choose from include the single track board trim that conceals the track board header, the sliding door single track cover, which conceals with track system and serves as sliding door flashing, or the overdoor track board trim that conceals the sliding door header. Now let's look at the different trims used for optional overhangs. The first trim needed would be freeze starter to support the soffit. The small J trim with freeze is a great time saver because it holds both the soffit and the side panels in place. Soffit covers the overhang and is available in vented or solid. Fascia comes in three sizes, 4, 6, or 8 inches, and is installed with 1 1/4 inch soffit nails. The boxed-in fascia covers the gable ends on overhangs. Finally, gutters and gutter accessories are used to collect and pull rainwater away from the building. For the interior of the post-frame building, a horse stall could be installed. You can choose from the conventional wood style or the composite material stall in a variety of sizes. And finally, there are tools that could make the construction of the post-frame building easier. The panel shear has a custom contoured blade that fits the Pro Rib panels to make cuts easier. The soffit shear has a custom contoured blade that fits the Pro Steel soffit panels. Thank you for watching. Your new post frame building will provide many years of service.